Hello friends, today we would be synthesizing Schweitzer reagent. The Schweitzer reagent has a very complex chemical name that is tetraamine diaqua copper dihydroxide. The characteristic feature of this reagent is that it acts as a solvent for cellulose. That is, any cellulose containing substances like paper or wood pulp can dissolve in this reagent. As we know that cellulose is the chief structural component of the plant cell wall which provides rigidity to the cells. It is actually a natural polymeric material having a fibrous structure. In a pure form, cellulose is present in cotton, that is approximately 98%, but in wood pulp it is only approximately 50%. The first attempts of making a polymer from cellulose, that is Rayon, was made by a German scientist, Freiherr. He observed that cellulose is soluble in ammoniacal copper oxide and we can precipitate out this cellulose on adding an acid into it. And this polymer can be used for making fabrics, stockings and other things. For this experiment, we require 2 grams of copper carbonate, 20 milliliters of 30% ammonia and 200 milliliters of 1 molar sulfuric acid. First of all, we have taken 2 grams of basic copper carbonate in this beaker and now we are adding 20 milliliters of 30% ammonia solution. You can observe the formation of a deep blue colored solution and the copper carbonate has dissolved in it. This is our Schweitzer reagent and we will now see the dissolution of cotton into it. We have added a piece of cotton and we have mixed it well. You can see that Schweitzer reagent is dissolving more and more of cotton fibers and the solution is turning more and more viscous. We have now taken approximately 200 milliliters of 1 molar sulfuric acid. We aspirate the fluid which we made into the syringe and we will be now pouring it into the sulfuric acid. You can see that as soon as I release the fluid into the sulfuric acid, there is formation of beautiful blue colored threads. These are the threads of Rayon. The polymer is precipitating out because the acid will react with the ammonia and a neutralization reaction takes place, leaving behind the cellulose. You can see that on standing for approximately 10 minutes, the color of these threads have discharged and the solution is slowly turning blue. That is because the copper ions present on these threads have reacted with the sulfuric acid forming copper sulfate, which left behind the threads colorless. Precautions. Ammonia is a respiratory irritant. Avoid direct inhalation. Sulfuric acid is corrosive. Avoid contact with skin. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you loved the content of this video, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell button so that you will be notified about my new videos. Stay tuned for a new video next week.